Welcome! If you're experiencing issues with videos not playing on Pinterest while using your PC, you're not alone. This can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix this problem. Let's walk through them together. First, close your browser and reopen it. Sometimes, simply restarting your browser can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the issue. Next, try to refresh the Pinterest web page. You can do this by clicking on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. This action reloads the page and might help in playing the video. If the problem persists, consider restarting your device. To do this, press the Windows icon on your keyboard, then click on the power icon. Select Shutdown from the menu. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button. A fresh start can often clear up any lingering issues. Another option is to ask the sender to resend the video. Sometimes there may be a problem with the video file itself that could prevent it from playing properly. If none of these steps work, it's time to clear your browser cache and cookies. Here's how to do it. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser to open the menu. From there, select Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab that appears, ensure all options are checked and set the time range to all time. Finally, click on Delete Data. This will remove any corrupted files that might be affecting video playback. After completing these steps, return to Pinterest and check if the videos are now playing correctly. If you follow these troubleshooting methods carefully, you should be able to resolve any issues with videos not playing on Pinterest. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating social media platforms effectively.